In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a credit card on your Apple Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily add any valid and activated credit card that you have to your Apple Wallet. This will allow you to make online payments using Apple Pay or in-store contactless payments with the credit card. All that you have to do is open the Apple Wallet on any iOS device, and in there you will find the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. This allows you to add many different cards to your Apple Wallet, including a debit or credit card. So tap the plus sign and then choose debit or credit card. What you have to do is follow the instructions on screen. You will have to include all of the details about the credit card, so the card number, the expiration date, and the security code. You might also get the option to use your camera to scan the card, and this will automatically fill out all of the details, so choose whichever option you prefer. As long as you can verify all of the details about the card by calling your bank or through any other means available, such as a text message, it is going to be properly attributed to the Apple Wallet. And then, like I said before, you can use it for in-store payments or online. If your phone has NFC capabilities and they are enabled, you will be able to place your phone near any card reader, and this will allow you to make payments in-store. The transaction will go through using the card that you selected, and you will be able to acquire anything in-store. If you want to do it online, just look for the Apple Pay logo in the payment methods, and when you choose Apple Pay, once again, this is going to be one of the available payment methods. Most cards will allow you to be added directly. However, if you have trouble with this, you can also open any application related to your card. So you can go over to the bank app, choose the card, and you will also find the option to add the card to the Apple Wallet directly through there. I hope I was able to help you on how to use credit card on Apple Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.